In unity, there is strength. In the peaceful village of Sundargram, there stood an ancient banyan tree with wide branches that shaded the village square. The people of Sundargram often gathered there for meetings, festivals, and celebrations. Among them were three best friends, Meera, Kabir, and Raju. One sunny afternoon, the village chief made an announcement. A large fruit market is coming to Sundargram next month. They will need fresh fruits in large quantities, and the farmer who provides the most will win a handsome reward. Excited by the news, Meera, Kabir, and Raju decided to participate. Meera grew guavas in her orchard, Kabir had a small mango grove, and Raju owned a plot with banana trees. Each of them dreamed of winning the reward. The three friends spent days tending to their trees, watering them, and keeping pests away. But as the competition day neared, they began to worry. Meera sighed. "I don't have enough guavas to win." Kabir frowned. "Neither do I. My mangoes are sweet, but there aren't many ripe ones." Raju looked at his bananas and said, "Even if I bring all my bananas, it won't be enough to win the contest." That evening, they met under the banyan tree. Meera said, "What if we join our fruits together? A single farmer may not have enough, but together, we might." Kabir hesitated. "But if we join forces, who will win the prize?" Raju smiled. "If we win, we can share the prize equally. Isn't it better than losing alone?" Encouraged by the idea, the three friends agreed. Over the next few days, they worked as a team. Meera carefully picked the ripest guavas, Kabir climbed trees to gather sweet mangoes, and Raju harvested golden bananas. On the day of the competition, they presented their combined fruits in beautiful baskets. The market organizers were amazed at the variety and quality. "You have provided the largest and best collection of fruits," declared the chief. "You are the winners." The three friends shared the reward equally and celebrated under the banyan tree that evening. The village people admired their teamwork and chanted, "In unity, there is strength." Moral of the story: working together can help us achieve more than we can alone. Teamwork and unity lead to success.